Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this, and this is a font. So he sent it to me like this, and he's going to cut it out with a vinyl cutter. Well, the vinyl cutter is going to just destroy that. Now, if we take the virtual segment delete key and delete those lines, you cannot do it while it's a text. So once you get this figured out the way you want it, then we have two options. One, you can go to Object and convert it to a curve. And I have the Alt key kind of here, because when you use the virtual segment delete key, if you just start drawing, sometimes you see that little box. Well, if you hold down the Alt key, it makes a line. It makes life a little easier. So you could do it, just like that. Now, the other way to do it, let's back up here, because I do this on a lot of these fonts like this. This is a font, and it has the same thing, and you want it all one piece. So if we go, this is Bird of Paradise, the weld tool is not up here, but if you go to Object and Shaping and Weld, it will do that. So let's try this on this. Go up to Object, Shaping, and Weld. Well, it didn't work because I think it's because well, it was a font. Let's try it just by itself. Maybe it wouldn't do it because there are two of them. Shaping and Weld. There we go. So if this was all one group, it would have done it. So go to Object, Shaping, and Weld. It's a different weld. Well, maybe you have to break that apart. So the other way would be just as good. So let's select just this number 4 and go Shaping and Weld. And there you go. So you could do it two ways. But it's not a font anymore anyway. So it's just as easy just to convert it. I actually wrote the text back out. So this is a text. So it's just as easy, unless you had a lot of them, and convert it to a curve, and then go to Weld and Shaping and Weld, and it takes those away. Now in a text like this, it might be really hard to virtually delete those little spaces. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.